Hey guys, another update at the High Wycombe site. If you look behind me, finally guys, the windows are all in. It has been a few stressful weeks and months waiting for these windows to be reordered because the original company went bust. So here we are, and you can see all the new windows have changed. Bear in mind this is a locally listed building, so we had to get exactly like for like windows. But they look amazingly beautiful actually right now. And the externals are being cleared out as well as we speak. Scaffoldings being brought down as well, which is what they were waiting for the windows to be completed. And the roof works had to be completed as well. There were some snagging bits that the warranty provider had raised, which was ongoing for the last couple of weeks. So guys, let's go have a look and see what's going on inside. The plan here, guys, is basically to literally clear this all up, fill in all the gaps and the holes in the concrete, and just basically effectively tile this outside area here, just this bit here, and that car park can basically be just cleaned up once the holes are fixed. We just tidy up this whole area. If you look at the edging of this concrete, it's kind of quite wobbly, so just lovely, making a lovely straight line. Jet wash it after it's been all filled in, and then have a look and see whether the car park needs any more work. And we think once it's been just washed clean, the brickwork has all been cleaned with the power jet wash, and I think a lot of it will be looking a lot nicer than it is currently at the moment. So yeah, let's go inside. So here we are, the ground floor. Let's go and have a look at the two-bedroom apartment here. At the moment, it's full hands on deck with the painter and decorating. Obviously, there's been some extra works because they plastered the rest of the apartments, but they couldn't plaster around the windows. So that's all being plastered now, with the new windows going in. And obviously, there's some extra decorating to do. But here, this coat's going on, and there's a couple more coats going on. And here, there's obviously some work to be done where there is a rifle board, which is basically regarding the 5 different electricity connections for each of the flats, where they've done some of the work, but they need another expert to actually come and fit in a rifle board and isolate all the connections for each of the apartments. So there's some outstanding work left in that bit there. But in terms of the bathroom, you can see that the shower screens have gone in. Obviously it's a bit untidy at the moment, the lights are all going up. There's a lot of second fix work being done. Literally, the idea is to kind of complete all of this in the next 10 days. Then maybe leave a few more days for snagging. There's obviously some, the front door still needs to be fixed. So there's still some work left to do. We've got a survey booked for Monday the 15th of April, and we're hoping that that can go ahead. We've had to reschedule it a few times, as you may think, and then we shall keep you posted on what's going on. So let's have a look at the rest of this apartment here. That was the bedroom 1, the ensuite. This is bedroom 2. That looks quite messy right now, so don't worry about that. But those beautiful, lovely, large bay windows look absolutely amazing. This is the communal bathroom here. We've gone with the exact theme across all the bathrooms. So this lovely 120 by 60 millimeter. Luxury sort of porcelain tiles. So the actual kitchen bathroom units are kind of just all basic with the tiling. It's giving them luxury effect. And coming into this lovely large kitchen living space. Finally, there's light in this room. But if you remember from my previous videos, we couldn't film here because it was all boarded up, obviously for security reasons. But finally, the windows are in. So you can see it's a lovely, beautiful large kitchen here. Lovely L-shaped. And we have provided all the appliances alongside. These are all custom-made kitchens. So good quality kitchens. We had a massively high quote from Mountains, so we decided to go with a custom-made kitchen with a local carpenter that we've used in the past, and we were very happy with his work. We're actually supplying all the appliances here. We've got the washing machine, we've got all the dryer, dishwasher, pretty much everything really we've been supplying along with the apartment. There's a long fridge, tall fridge freezer here. completed yet, but there's some work still left to do here. But yeah, integrated fridge freezer. Let's go and have a look at the upstairs apartments. So yeah, the bulk of the work, as you can see, is just basically painting and decorating around the door frames, the skirting doors, and what have you. Carpets for this kind of area have been ordered, and those will fit in literally very last thing before we leave the site. Here, if you're coming on the first floor, we are in the one-bedroom apartment. There's some work happening here with all the electrical work going on, some extra sockets and what have you. But kitchens are almost done. As you can see, they look nice and clean. Again, same sort of theme we've gone for the sort of two-tone kitchens and good quality sinks and black taps, which can help with the contrast in colour. Lovely light with these beautiful massive windows going in. Again, some little bits left to do here with doors and everything. And the bathroom, again, exactly the same theme. This here has got to be the most amazing bedroom in this block, I would think. It's about 15 square meters, roughly around that. And you can see a lovely outlook of the Wycombe Rye and the sort of lovely trees. We've also now started to fit in some of the wardrobes in because we thought it would add some value to the tenants who will be living here and hopefully give us also good quality valuation once the value comes in and sees the kind of money that we've spent and we haven't spared any expenses. Again, you can see some of the finishing around the windows is still left to do. But yeah, this is a beautiful, beautiful room actually. Double aspect, absolutely amazing with these huge windows. This is the two-bedroom flat on the first floor. There is some finishing work here to do, but we're just going to go with some sort of low seating area here. There's the carpenters going to build. Again, a lovely large kitchen once again. Great little living and dining room area. This is the master bedroom. Again, I don't think you've seen this room very much because it's always boarded up. Here we've got fitted wardrobes again. Good decent sized bedroom actually, even once the wardrobes have been fitted in. And here, I think we're pretty much finished with the bathroom actually. That's the main bathroom of this apartment. There is still some work pending to do. I think we just need to get the shower screens and what have you. Bedroom 2. Slightly on the smaller side, but still going to be a double bedroom with the lovely fitted wardrobes in. There's still some space for you to move around. And let's go and look at the last apartment upstairs. Again, I think this apartment is almost done. Apart from this bit here and some smaller bits that I just showed you earlier today. One more upstairs, coming in, and let me quickly show you kitchen living. This is the kitchen dining area. Again, lovely large kitchen. Although there's only one window here, there's still a lot of light coming from all this massive number of spotlights that we've got here. And we've also now got the builder's clean happening as we speak. This is actually the living room. So right next to the kitchen, you have the living room, but people could use it as third bedroom effectively, depending on who ends up occupying the space. Here you can get a better look of the integrated, of the appliances. They're not integrated on this particular apartment because I think there was some issue with the actual connections at the back. Not issue, but it's just the way the connections were done. We couldn't actually create them as integrated. But nevertheless, I think it will still look pretty good. We've got the fridge freezers here. Bedroom 2. small double. We're going to have a small cupboard here, fitted here, which is going to sort of follow the actual shape of the wall. So that's going to be quite nice. And a small double bed here will go quite well. Again, green outlook to sort of the right side, and you can actually see the rye from here as well. This is the master bedroom. Here, because some of these windows were very non-standard size, they had some issues with getting these right sides of the windows manufactured, but now they're done, they're in, and again, there's some painting to do around the wall that's just been plastered. As you can see in terms of finishing as well, we've gone with lovely chrome. They're not the standard, but I think now for all our developments going forward, they are going to be a standard. And some of the sockets have the USBs as well, the USB ports as well. This bathroom is finished actually, so you can actually see the finished bathroom apart from the mirror that needs to go on. So electric showers in all the bathrooms. You have to go with quadrants on this floor for the bathrooms because of the space. But other than that, it's still a lovely sized bathroom. And yeah, guys, hope you've sort of found all that useful. We're pretty much at the tail end of this now. I know it's been a few weeks delayed, but here we are, and hoping that we can push this site through within the next 2 weeks. Next week is all about putting the electric radiators in, water boilers, because it's a completely electric system. We then have the front door to get in, some of the external work still left to do, and then hopefully, fingers crossed for getting the pack ready for the surveyor to view it and value it on the 15th of April. So we'll keep you posted, guys. We release good property content each and every week to get you to stay ahead of your property game in 2024. So do like, follow, subscribe with us, and also look at our next event at Titans. It's 11th of April. If you're looking to diversify into commercial property investment and make cash flow from day one, rather than developments, and have a more passive portfolio, then definitely come and speak to Kirsty Darkins, who is a rig surveyor for over 20 years of experience and have worked for really big firms, Boots and such. So CBRE as well, actually, from memory. So do come along and listen to what Kirsty has to say, and Hussein, who is a relationship manager at Lloyds Bank, is going to talk about commercial lending as well. So it's all about commercial property and diversifying into commercial investments. Team Titans of Quora 2K is the link you need to book your space. Looking forward to seeing you there Thursday, the 11th of April. Thank you.